Alright everybody, that wraps up this video. I thought I'd do a quick video about my Postwar Lionel. I'm not sure what this is. It's like a Pennsylvania 262 locomotive of some kind. But it's Postwar Lionel. I love those engines. I figured I'd do another little bit of a video on it here. So I got it for around 50 bucks. It was originally priced for 75, however. And the reason I got it for 50 is because, well, I was trying to get it for like 60 because, it wasn't running perfectly when I got it. But it turned out that day there was a sale for 30% off, so I was able to get it for like 50 or 55 or something. But anyways, as for the update, the rail fanning video that I promised is going to have to be delayed another day because in the past 2 days I've only been able to catch one train. And I'm kind of tired of having each video, only one train, so I'm going to go again tomorrow a little bit earlier and see if we can catch another train or two to film. So that way it's not just, the typical one-train videos that I've been putting out. Now I'm trying to put out some higher quality things. But yeah, that's the update. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.